Our job as leaders is always to produce more leaders. We want to run a highly efficient business. For us to do that, we should apply a system, a way we run the business on Cadence using an unbiased objective framework that helps us succeed at scale. We should apply it all day, every week, every month, every quarter, every half year, every year, whenever you want. The idea is that the system is consistent and repeatable because everything around us is not. So we have to have something to anchor on the way we run the business. This gives us the freedom to coach and develop based on a system that is repeatable, that everybody becomes familiar with, and then the no-look pass will never be misunderstood. Few will misunderstand it. Most will continuously use it to their advantage because most of us want to learn. We want to learn more. We want to do better. We want to earn more. That's what Skill Will helps us do. Let's talk about what Skill Will coaching looks like. As revenue leaders, we all run a continual repeating cadence. We usually have one-on-ones and team meetings. We do some type of pipeline or demand gen program. We have opportunity strategy that we have to execute to advance an opportunity through its stages within a sales process. We have forecasting, and we run QBRs, or quarterly business reviews. All of those things happen relentlessly over and over and over. The idea is we want to layer those skills, those integral pillars of running the business, into a system where we can coach and develop against it. So it's objective, it's unbiased, and it's not subjective in any way. And what we want to look for is the willingness for our teams to learn those skills and apply them on repeat, because that will help develop them as future leaders and will help us scale the business more seamlessly. And if we do that, we all win bigger, and our company scales. We personally win. Our brand, our narrative, everything gets better. It is literally that simple. Truth and transparency in running the business matters. Let's talk about how we do it. Well, look, as leaders, we have to embed ourselves in the operating cadence in the way we run the business. We're side by side with our contributors or our teams. We talk about the same things. So we're protecting them from nonsense, and we're focusing on the same things. In our one-on-ones and team meetings, pipeline generation, ops strategy, forecast QBRs, those are the same principles. And what we're looking for is if our teams have the skill to do those things effectively. That's our job as leaders. And we have to coach them throughout that process and teach them how to do it better and more effectively. But what we're looking for is their willingness. Are they willing to do that? It's a fair trade. If they're not willing to do that, then that is an indication. And we should know that. The only way we're going to know that is if we have a pattern in place, a system in place, those integral skill pillars, and a coaching framework that is consistent to repeat it over and over and over again, creating that no-look pass and identifying those that have high skill and will to do it. And that's how it runs ongoing forever. We do this because we want to establish a cadence that surfaces whether those we work with have the skill or have the will to do it this way. That's exactly what leadership is. It's bringing people on a journey to do better, supporting our companies or our businesses or whatever it may be with a team member, those that we pay for service or those that produce a service that drives their pay in an effective way to be more successful. Well, the benefit of us doing it this way is we get to continually optimize our system and our engine. And that engine produces revenue. And that revenue provides upward mobility for our companies to hire more, scale more, or for us and our teams to be more successful, earning as entrepreneurs within a business.